What could be more terrifying than being Cup and Hot Rod stranded on an alien planet battling the merciless Sharkticon? The Transformers, more than meets the eye. Autobots never faced an evil force worse than the terror of the Sharkticons.
Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a new project on the bench, Transformers Generation 1 Cup. And if you're not familiar with the character, he, along with Hot Rod and Blur, were the three new Autobot cars introduced for the 1986 Transformers the movie. And of course, with the new characters came new toys. And for reference, here is that G1 Cup figure. These characters did mark a pretty big transition for the series, but it was still the mid-80s, so there was still a definite aesthetic to them, and that's mostly what this 3D model is based on. I do say mostly because there have been a few tweaks made to it, the bulk of which because he doesn't have to be a small transforming figure anymore. So for comparison, he's supposed to be a companion for the original Masterpiece Hot Rod, which was about 1/24th scale. A similar overall size, a similar driver's compartment, that kind of thing. Now, taking a look at it, the biggest change has been the addition of the grille and headlights up front, because that's where Cup's arms stored in the original toy, and I always assumed that was what they were supposed to be. Also, the vent on the back is now a 3D item instead of a sticker, as are the rear taillights. And kind of as expected from too many projects, it's generally nice, clean work. Underside looks nice and smooth. That's going to be taken care of with some styrene and some parts box items. I got a little bit of schmutz over that headlight that I need to clean up. There's a little bit of a line on the side. That'll have to be sanded off. And a little bit up there in the top corner. But other than that, really not a whole lot of work needed on the body. I am going to start with a good sanding and washing. I'm going to be hitting up my parts box for all the accessories that I need. I will have an update on this next week, so you can check back then, and thanks for watching.